Hello guys. Last few days were a little bit tough as I managed to catch COVID. Fortunately, I've been vaccinated, so nothing mortal, but quite severe. Anyway, today it's a second day I'm feeling better, so I would like to share with you some progress, as I'm very happy how it goes. All right, so first of all, what you can see is this Fly Me to the Moon widget, which is finally working, not throwing out of memory. And as you can see, it's configured to show status, but I can switch off status, so it will be just icon, and I can unload it from background. Icon goes red, so it's not running in the background, right? But let me go back to the settings. Let's put it in the background and let's show status. All right, here it is. All right, let me power my big quad to show you how it looks. Charge power supply. Let's give full 16.84S. And let's go. Yep, so it's showing, so it's showing the basic information about the quad. Everything works. I arm stop because the shuttle is too high. No GPS fix. No GPS fix because I'm inside, but let me arm. Horizon, air mode, angle, shows RC link, cell voltage, fly mode, and arm status, and if telemetry is on. So if I power down quad, it will go red in a second. Yeah, telemetry off, right? Okay, let's go again. All right, so let's start preview of current status of ToolBox 0.80. Double tap. All right, here it is. As you can see, some nice changes. Let me start from the left side. So already you know that RSNR, this is crossfire link, RSSI and RQLY. But here you can see the speed of RC link and transmitter power. Here is transmitter power. Moreover, here is visual indicator of telemetry quality. So its green bar is full. Let me power down quad. Now telemetry quality is 0, and you can see if telemetry is gone, here's the red sign, no telemetry. What you can see, it's very important because it took me a lot of time. Now ToolBox dashboard retains last value of telemetry. Last value was 40. Its screen is dimmed. Oh, it's my lipo buzzer, sorry. Let me switch this off. All right. So screen is dimmed, but you can see what was the last value of telemetry. It's not stored on the SD card yet, but anyway, if you lose telemetry, you will be able to see the last value. All right, let's power up again. So, what else? I reworked a little bit artificial horizon, made it bigger, and as you can see, now we have a GPS panel, which is changeable with the GPS compass. Now compass says GPS because I've got GPS, so it's the heading is from GPS, and of course inside, so no GPS fix yet. What else? What else? Here will be on the low part will be kind of info status. For example, if I I'm sorry, this is my knee. A leak. If I, for example, mute, there will be icon muting, and some info about errors will show up here. Okay, so show me new menu. Here is how it looks. Very similar to black and white radio. So now you can go to a module like that. I mean, pressing sys and then selecting proper VF arming errors. All right. Okay, that's it. It works, of course. Horizon works. Nice. RPM. Depending on pitch level, ground is going darker and sky is going lighter, but you can see those numeric values over here. Okay, so what else? Throttle, as always, with limiter. I've got limiter on my trim, so I can limit my throttle. And let me show you GPS. Let's try if it works with if it get a fix. Okay. So let me put some lipo. And take my quad out to see some satellites. All right. So now it's powered from LiPo. Good 16.8. LiPo is full. All right. Let's take it to outside. I think in a few... Oh, telemetry. I don't know if I can have good reception here. Just a minute. Not very good. Okay. I think the antenna orientation was not very good. Will be fluctuating, but we are starting to have a fix maybe. So here is satellite number and home position and quad position, which I don't know, but Crossfire gets this false home position, like you can see 28, which is not true. The true is over here, and but still maybe I need to code something that will update this. I don't know. INAV has this status of sensor that shows that that position is fixed. Betaflight has no. I think we have to make some fake fix indicator. I mean, for example, if there are more than 6 or 7 satellites, fix will be, we assume there is a fix. I wonder if you have the same with Betaflight. I mean, that the GPS coordinates are of home fix are wrong, because they are populated once we have 2 or 3 satellites, so it's very rough and not precise. Then the quad position is updated very precisely, but home position is still quite rough. RQOY is, I have to check my antenna. I think there is something wrong with the antenna. Still, and there's heading. Let me check if heading. I think heading is reading. Yes, you can see now we have above the ground level. We are 100 meters above sea level. Sea level, I think I have mistaken this parameter. This is not ground level, this is sea level, because it comes from GPS. Need to change this. So let me check if heading, GPS heading is work. I think this is working once quad starts or bird starts to move, because it needs at least 2 positions, GPS positions changed to find heading. All right, still 6 satellites. All right, I think we will get in maybe 7, maybe if I reposition my quad, it will have better view for satellites, but usually I get here like 7, because I'm around tall buildings, 7, 8 satellites at the most. I will not show you ground speed because birds should be moving. Oh, let's wait a little bit. Maybe it will acquire more satellites. Yep, and everything works. I wonder if this home position will be fixed in any way. All right, if I go throttle and no GPS fix. This is message I'm displaying. In fact, telemetry, Crossfire telemetry sends wait, which means no GPS fix. But I was waiting lastly like half an hour and Crossfire was sending me still no GPS fix, this wait value. So I'm not very acquainted with GPS, so if you have any experience or can help me with how it works, would be great. All right, anytime you can go back to to system, because it's running in the background, so it's very quick now to go back and forth to ToolBox. Of course, there will be different screens, and this is working, and this works in background. So if voltage drops below low level, it will start to alert you that your battery is dying. All right, maybe it's evening and nothing cares to happen. All right, so here is the progress of development of ToolBox. Next version, next major version 0.80. Hope you like it. If you have any suggestion or maybe comments, just drop it below. Cheers, guys.